Welcome back! Thank you for clicking on my video. During the new year, instead of eating a lot of fish and meat, why not make a sour and appetizing pickled pineapple and cucumber to help digestion? I hope you will like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: cucumber, pineapple, onion, carrot. Peel and sliced carrot. Sliced or strip cucumber at own preference. Remove cucumber seeds. Peel and cut carrot into strips. Peel and sliced onion. Cut pineapple into small chunks. Carrots and cucumbers are pickled with salt. The purpose of pickling cucumbers with salt is to kill some of the water in the cucumbers, making them crisper. You can also add sugar. Sugar can also play the same role, but after adding sugar, the cucumber will not become very salty, and it will be easier to season later. The cucumbers pickled with sugar will be more crisp and delicious. Drain the cucumber and carrot and rinse them, then squeeze out the water and set aside. Add cucumber and carrot into big bowl. Add in shredded onion and pineapple cubes. Seasoning: 2 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix evenly. pickles into glass container, fridge to marinate for an hour. I've my pickles marinated for 2 hours. Wow, the crispy, refreshing, cold pickled appetizer is ready. This appetizer of pickled cucumbers and pineapples is really delicious. I can finish a whole box of it by myself. Vinegar and sugar portion to adjust own preference. Reduce sugar portion if you like your pickle tastes sour. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. Pineapple is pronounced as Angloi in the local Hokkien dialect. Since king and prosperity are homophones, and pear and cum are homophones, pineapple also means prosperity. Therefore, in order to get a good omen, pineapple is generally indispensable in important traditional festivals or sacrificial activities. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.